affected citizens are trying to find answers is whether the contractors are going to take full responsibility.
Minengi imibuzo ebuzwa abazenda abamazwe lapho kuba kudabuka khona abongazimbi behlekelele ukugirika kumakhiwo eGeorge eTjingalanga Kapa.
Tshwarapo ke dimvemvane. Dimvemvane ke tsona di tshwarampo, and we can't be a state that can be controlled ke dimvemvane. We need to go at them and at them very hard.
Uqalise inyawo eSoshanguve undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza ngemva kokuthi umlwana adunyuzwe abadlelezeli nakadidibeza uyise.
I'm always trying to understand and learn, especially from some of the best coaches in the world.
Umbanduli weMamelodi Sundowns uRulani Mokwena uthi ilwazi lakhe ulithatha kubabanduli bangaphandle bona abe bukhali kangaka. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godu kweSABC1 ngelimi lesindebele lotshani emakhaya. Sikhuphukesa yokufika ema-12 nekhomba isibalo sabantu ababhubhele ehlekeleleni yokugirika kumakhiwo eGeorge eTjingalanga Kapa ngeveke epheleko ngoMvulo. Umkhulumeli kaMasipalata weGeorge uNtobeko Maqweqwe uthi kusesenabasebenzi abama-26 abasaminyezelwe emagade womakhiwo.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemisebenzi yomphakathi uSihlezi Kalala udlulisa amezwi wokuchiriya emndenini ebhujeleko wathi batsho bazokuqinisekisa bona babanikela lonke isekelo.
We coordinate support and things have been at least to make easy that this is a constituency where Deputy Minister Bottas is responsible, is deployed, and he will work with all government organs to ensure support to all of you and to also liaise with embassies.
Njengombana isibalo lesi kunevalo lokuthi siyakhuphuka nje kusesenabantu abama-28 ekungakaziwa bona bakuphi ukufikela nje kanti abali-13 basesibhedlela. Abazenda bamazwe lapho kudabuka khona abanye babongazimbi bathi batsho bafuna impendulo ngehlekelelele.
Our citizens, the affected citizens, are trying to find answers is whether the contractors are going to take full responsibility.
Bama-41 abantu ekhabe basendaweni le lokha umakhiwo nawugirikako ngoMvulo.
Ikomishini yezamakhetho ithi isele ikulungele ukubanjwa kwekhetho lamavoti akhethekileko ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle ekukhambeni kwevekele. ISouth Africa ihlangana namanye amazwe ambalwa avumela izakhamuzi zabo ezingaphetsheya bona zivote emakhethweni azako. Ukuvota ngaphandle kwezweli kuyokuthoma ngelesihlanu kiwo wonke amazwe amane angaphandle kuthi amanye athome ngomgqibelo.
We are ready. The administrative parts have been addressed and we now wait for the 2 voting days and we hope all will go well.
ISouth Africa ithi wonke amahlelo wayo wokuvotisa kulabo abayokuvota ngen-17 ukufikela ngen-18 kumrhayili ngaphetsheya selalungile. Kanti izingaphezulu kwe-78,000 izakhamuzi ekulindeleke bona zivote ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle ema-ofisini wezobuzenda bamazwe ayi-111. Ezinye intetshi ezikulu zokuvota ziseLondon, e-UK, e-The Hague, e-Netherlands, e-Canberra, e-Australia kunye nase-Dubai, e-United Arab Emirates. Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki zithi abantu kufuze bangaphundwa lithubeli.
Even those who are voting overseas next week, they must make sure all overseas voters vote for the EFF.
We're delighted that more people are going to be able to vote. We think it's the right of every citizen, regardless of where they're on the world, to exercise their right to vote. Obviously, we're using our Democratic Alliance Abroad, DA Abroad organization we have, which will monitor those elections.
Ikomishini yamakhetho isebenzisana nomnyango wezechwebisano lamazwe ngamazwe kanti sele bathumele insetshenziswa zokuvotisa nekufaka hlangana intetshi zokuvotisa nezinye insetshenziswa zokuvotisa kunye nehelo labo bonke abantu ekulindeleke bona bavote.
We will be opening voting stations in 9 countries on the 17th of May. Those countries are mostly in the Middle East.
Kodwana ngekhe kube namavoti eSudan, eUkraine nase-Israel njengombana izindlu zobuzenda zakhona zivaliwe ngonobangela wepi yombango. I-IEC ithi ifuna amakhetho la adlule ngaphandle kokuphazamiseka.
I-IFP KwaZulu-Natal ithi ukuphumelela kwayo ekhethweni elizako kuzokuya ngokuthi ihlangano le isebenze njani endaweni ezisemadrobheni njengeThekwini neMgungundlovu. Unkhethano oqothele isikhundla sikaNdunankulu uThami Nduli uthi i-IFP nje seyiqale khulu lapho inabalandeli abanengi khona. Beyingena umuzi nomuzi eNanda ibawa amavoti.
Ziphambana endleleni ngamajima okuzifunela abavoti KwaZulu-Natal inhlangano zepolitiki. Ihlangano engekulu keziphikisako KwaZulu-Natal i-IFP nayo izendaweni lengejima layo lokuzibawela amavoti. Izakhamuzi zalapha zilila ngobulelesi nokuhlayela kwamanzi hlangana nokhunye.
Ngike ngacabanga ukuthi ngingayi. Kodwa bengabona ukuthi angihambi ngobhoda. Ngoba manje mhlambe okhetheka. Mhlambe ophatha emandleni. Mhlambe oba ngcona sazi.
Most abantu sebene TB through wona amanzi eVatikani. Nengane zinezilonda nathi abadala sinezilonda.
I-IFP ithi njengisibonakala izokhula endaweni ezimadoroba lapho phambilini beyihlaga khona ukufumana abavoti.
Siyazi abanye abantu abasafuna ukuvota ngenxa yokuthi babona abalibona ushintsho. Sizothi ke sicela ke benikeze iqathe bebona mabevotele i-IFP abezukubona umehluko ngoba siyabathembisa thina uzobanikeza uhulumeni ohlanzekile.
Ihlangano leyithi incamela ukufumana amavoti angaphezulu kwengidi embili esifundeni esi ekhethweni elizakweli.
Nakusenjalo i-Action SA ifuna impendulo edorobheni leKapa ngomraro weSurichi etlelezela elwandle. Imphathimandla zehlangano le zisebenzise unophehlwana ukuyokutshengisa ababiki indaba amanye wamadzaba walapha kuvela khona iSurichi le. I-Action SA isola idorobha leKapa ngokusolo libhalelwa kulungisa umraro weSurichi etlelezela emalwandle ambalwa. Sikhuluma nje iSurichi le itleleze yayokufika emalitheni ayi-30 million ngelanga.
The prior application that we received proved how for 104 days of a 6-month period the city had exceeded that particular maximum amount, which demonstrates that this is not a once-off thing, this is a regular feature.
The city has already started consulting and have already undertaken and completed a study identifying alternative options which include land-based treatment at these various outfalls.
I-Action SA bacho ayenzi lokhu ngombana ifuna ukusa enye ihlangano phasi ngokuthi ingakhe ingavotelwa.
Action SA as an internal policy has adopted a point of view that we don't campaign against other parties, we campaign for Action SA. We are a new political party. Our objective is to get our offer out there.
Ihlangano le bacho nange umraro lo warakela phambili idorobheli lezogcina selifana neleThekwini esele linganamvakatshi bukeli ezivakatshela emalwandle wakhona.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi imizamo yeSouth Africa yokusekela amaPalestina akusikufuna ukuthozwa nokubona kodwa kumsebenzi wayo ukusiza labo abagadangelwa amalungelo wabo. uRamaphosa bekakhuluma ngemva kokuthokozwa yi-International Muslim Community ema-ofisini amakhulu wehlangano le eJohannesburg.
Batshengisa ukuthokoza ku-ANC. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi uhulumende we-ANC athathe isiqundo sokusa umbango weGaza ekhotho yezobulungiswa yenitshabatshaba. Ihlangano yobusa kweSouth Africa phale itbacho isekelo layo kuma-Palestinian angeze lasikinywa litho begodu kumsebenzayo ukuvikela ukulinyazwa kwamalungelo wabantu.
For us it was a duty to support those who are experiencing a violation of their basic human rights, who are in fact being subjected to genocide.
I-ANC ihlangene nabaholi bama-Muslim ebavela emazweni ahlukahlukeneko kubala hlangana nebe-United States of America. Nase lakhuluma nembikindaba ngomva komhlangano wakhe umengameli uThebacho hlangana nokhunye ihlangano le yasungulelwa ukuvikela abantu abagadangelwako. Kanti uzwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngombango oragako eRafa wathi batsho ukuthula kufanele kunikelwe ithuba eAfrika yangePumalanga.
We've always been concerned right from the beginning about the attacks that are being perpetrated and leveled at the innocent people in Gaza. And we've always said that this is collective punishment, that a whole people are being punished in a collective way. And this is something that is being commented on by many other organizations and even governments around the world.
Mengameli unikelwe ithwayo lokuthokoza kwelizweli.
We just want to thank South Africa for what you've done. Nobody in the world did what South Africa did when it comes to the issue in Palestine.
I-International Union of Muslim Scholars ibawe woke ama-Muslim aseSewula Afrika apha ukuthi avotele i-ANC emakhwethweni ezako la.
Undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uvakatshele umndeni womsanyana weminyaka emihlanu ubudala obulewe uyise nakathathelwa ikoloyi kwabo eSoshanguve eTlhagwini yePitori ngelesihlanu ngeveke epheleleko. uDitebogo Junior Phalane bekadidibeza uyise obekafika ekhaya nakaza kudunyuzwa abadlelezeli. Amapholisa aqinisekise ukuthi liqinisiwe iphenyo.
Umsanyana weminyaka emihlanu ubudala ubulewe manceba wokudunyuzwa nabekudlelezela uyise kwabo. Isihlakalo esisitshe ilizwe lonke libambewa ngaphasi kanti khonjela bona abathindekako baqalane nesandla somthetho. Undunankulu Lesufi uthi kunesiqhema sabaphenyi sokuqinisekisa bona abathindekako baqalana nesandla somthetho ngokurhabako.
We are ready to hunt. Already the teams are there. We just pulled their leadership just to come so that we can brief the family. They are going back to try to get a breakthrough as quickly as possible.
uLesufi uthi amapholisa anikelwe insetshenziswa ezisezingeni eliphezulu ukusiza ngephenyo.
The resources, the technology, the innovation and the capabilities of the state must be unleashed at all these people that are doing this horrendous deed. And I repeat, and we can't be a state that can be controlled. We need to go at them and at them very hard.
Umndeni uthi kuyathokozisa ukwazibona iphenyo liraga njani, uthi kubanikela ithemba lokho.
The past couple of days things have remained a little bit still, but today at least we got to hear something that gives us a bit of hope.
Amapholisa aqinisekisile bona aliqinisile iphenyo lawo.
Ezifika njengombana sisemoyeni nje zithi sesikhuphukele ama-30 isibalo sabantu ababhubhele ehlekeleleni yokugirika komakhiwo eGeorge. Indaba ezo zivezwe ngungqongqoshe wezemisebenzi yomphakathi uSihle Zikalala. Nasibuya entolo.
We called Consumer Protection to intervene on the project that we've been busy with, going around the shops, checking for the expiring and also the hygienic.
Kusaliwa namandla nendaba yokuthengiswa kokudla okuphelelwa isikhathi eTlhagwini Kapa. Siyakwamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Kazi indaba ezi uyazithola ku SABC Plus, ku YouTube na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ungqongqoshe wezegezi uKhosiyensu Ramokgopa ukwakwazele istage esiphehla igezi ikusile ngokuba nomthelela ekujugululeni ukuphehla kwegezi. Lokho kunjengoba namandla wegezi afike emaphesentini ama-70 kwakuthoma ngemva kweminyaka kanti khathesi ajame ku-70.78%.
Sekumalanga ama-47 iSouth Africa ingaqindeliswa igezi. Ungqongqoshe uthi lokhu ngombana iinteshi esiphehla igezi sezisebenza ngconywana. Ihlelo lijeje ukuphehlwa kwegezi lasungulwa ngo-2022 lakhomba iinteshi ezisithandathu ebezinomthelelo amaphesenti ama-75 ekuqindelisweni kwegezi. Esinye sazo yikusile esemalahleni. abuyile ama-unit esiteshini esi kanti sesinamandla wegezi angaphezu kwamaphesenti ama-90.
Just Kusile today is trending at an energy availability factor of just shy of 93%. So that's an exceptional achievement for this team.
Lokhu kwenze bona kube namandla wegezi abakhona ekuhlathululwe njengesiqondo esihle esithethweko.
As I stand before you today, the energy availability factor of Eskom has breached the 70% mark. So we're at 70.78.
Ungqongqotshi uyaphaya nembiko ithi kutshisa udizili eningi ngokusebenzisa i-open cycle gas turbine. Uphikise labo bathi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kuyokuthwelela ngemva kwamakhetho.
So you can see in rand value terms, the 5th of May didn't ban. 6th of May, 23 million, 11.9 million. 10th of May, we didn't ban. 11th of May, we didn't ban. Yesterday, we didn't ban. So this you can see that the story is not correct.
I-Eskom ithi ibeke woke amehlo enteshini ezinomthelelo omkhulu ekuphehlweni kwegezi begodu inethemba lokuthi imizamo abayenzako izokuqeda ukuqindeliswa kwegezi.
If you look at Kusile, you look at Medupi, you look at Matla, you look at Majuba, these stations that were problematic are actually now delivering, which bodes well.
Inyanga uMkhayili inyanga yokubabalela igezi kanti abantu bakhonduza ukuthi basebenzisa igezi ngokukhulu ukutsheja. I-Eskom ihlela ukuqinisa isebenziswano nabomasipalata.
Ibandla elivikela abathengi ehlagwini Kapa i-Northern Cape Consumer Protection Authority libambisene nehlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo. I-Operation Fiela kunye nezakhamuzi zehalishiwe ukulwisana nentolo zangaphandle ezithengisa izinto eziphelelwa isikhathi. I-Operation Fiela ekungiyo edosa phambili ijimeli ilile ngokuxhayela kokuqiniswa komthetho zimphathimandla.
Ijimeli dosa phambili Operation Fiela seliveze ezinye intolo unyaka lo ekuthiwa zithengisela umphakathi utshwala, isango, impahla yomgunyathi nokudla okuphelelwa isikhathi. Zingaphezulu kwama200 intolo eziphethwe emaphandle eKimberley. Ihlangano le ithi ibambisene nebandla labathengi ukuthi laba abathindekako bathwesa umlando.
We called Consumer Protection to intervene on the project that we've been busy with, going around the shops, checking for the expiring and also the hygienics. So they have taught us a lot today, and they are going to work with us going forward.
Ibandla elivikela abathengi ehlagwini Kapa lithi intolo lezi ezi-98.8% azulandela umthetho wokuthengisa.
It is imperative that the community and society in general must come to the Consumer Protection Authority and come and open cases against these perpetrators.
Izakhamuzi zikhombele bona bathathelwa amagadango abaphathi bentolo abaphula umthetho.
I feel like we as the community, we should stop buying from these shops and start opening our own shops.
For the last 10 years, people have been suffering, and a number of people actually that are having currently problems as well. We also need the consumer court to come into place to start educate our people that into the consumer rights as well, into the product that buying from stores.
Ibandla elivikela abathengi ehlagwini Kapa lithi bazokuthathelwa amagadango aqinileko abathola bamlando.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngayo le ndaba yezinto ezidlulele isikhathi ezithengiswa entolo zamaphandle. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbuli.
Kathi thina abanye ngobunengi bethu sithembele kuyizintolo zamaphandle ngoba babizela phasi ama-price mhashi kodwana ukudla kwabo okuningi sekuphelelwe isikhathi.
Abantu bangaphandle basithengisela ukudla okumotshakeleko bona abakudli
ukudla kwabo lokho kubangela ukugula songa amathumbu nabantwana bayagula ngama-chips enziwa ngilabo abantu labo.
Uhulumeni uphuzile ukubona ukuthi laba abantu bokufika basithengisela izinto engalungile, izinto ezibolile. Usegijima ngoba nakusekuyiwo okhethweni.
Kuyamangaza ngempela futhi kuyadumaza ngoba inkinga endala le. Kade abantu babegula, abanye beshona ngenxa yokuthi badla ukudla ukudayiswa ngabantu bokufika.
Hayi sengathi ngahlolwa nje zonke izitolo hayi lezi zabo ukufika kuphela. Ziningi nje izitolo othola ukuthi zidayisa ukudla sek-expirele. Ayikho into ezoyenzakala mara ngabe umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngabe uboshiwe ngabe siyazi ukuthi uboshiwe.
Baba wethu ayingane zethu ziyakhula zithenga ama-chips e-expirele zibuye zigule izinto ezi-expirele kanti nokunye futhi bazenzela bona ema-backdoor.
Umbona ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wobukeli. Kezemali ranta linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Umbanduli weMamelodi Sundowns uRulani Mkwena wenze izibukwako solo ambandulo omkhulu esiqhemeni lesi. Mhlapha nje usanda kuthumba imendlela yokuba mbandulu phambili eniqhemeni ezikukhosafa. Ukhone ukufikisa iSundowns kuma semifinal naku CAF Champions League wathumba neligi yeDStv Premiership nonyaka.
Umukwena wathatha indambo zokuba mbanduli omkhulu weSundowns ngemva kokwehliselwa esigabeni esiphasana kwakaManqoba Mnqithi. Wayiraga bewalekelela isiqhema sakhe ukuthumba ibhigiri yeDStv Premiership neCAF Champions League ngesizini edlulileko. Umukwena uthi sebazilungiselela umdlalo wama-final weNedbank Cup njengombana bayoqalana neOrlando Pirates nge-1 zenyanga ezako eMbombela Stadium. Umkwena wakhe wabandula iSilver Stars phambi kobana ayokuba lisekela likaPitso Msimane kuSundowns, wadlulela phambili wayokubandula iPirates, waya nakuChippa United ngaphambi kobana ayokubandula iSundowns. Unjalo nje mbanduli wokuthoma ongomncane weminyaka ema-37 ubudala onerekhodi elihle lokuthumba ibhigiri. Umkwena wajika asedweleni labo Fly nabe kufanele alandele uMsimane eGibhithe. Wachugulula umkhumbulo wayokubandula iSundowns.
I'm always trying to understand and learn, especially from some of the best coaches in the world. The other day I was listening to Carlo Ancelotti's interview. I've mentioned this before. I mean, this guy has won, I think he's going to his 5th Champions League Cup final. I mean, he's won league titles in almost every single country that he's gone through.
Sundowns sedlulele nephaliswano leFIFA Club World Cup eAmerica ngomnyaka ozayo. Kusasa ebusuku Sundowns yokubambana neRoyal AM eHarry Gwala Stadium.
Asihlola abazuma ukuthi bazume njani. Akwande siboni ikhambe njani ekuzumeni.
Siyathokoza Cedric Silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje ngilezi ezithi amaSewula Afrika la ahlala eninarheni zangaphandle iphela veke le esichinga kiyo bokuthola ithuba lokuthi bavote eninarheni lapho bahlala khona. Ngale kwalokho abuyele ekhotho amadoda asolwa ngokwenza ubukhohlakali ebhanka isele yaphathalatshwako lapha esifundeni seLimpopo iVBS. Namhlanje kwakungaleli langa ngomnyaka ka-1969 ngesikhathi kuzathathululwa ejele umsunguli wehlangano ye-PAC uRobert Simangaliso Sobukwe. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje. Sithokoza khulu kwamambala.
Sithokozile Sibu. Indaba zesiswati zikhona kusasa kanti sithokozile ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje. Nisale nombuzo.